we can see that there are many icons on the main menu. We click the setting icon to enter the settings page. Press on language icon. Scroll through the arrows to find the language of your choice. Found, and press the green checkmark to save your changes. Press the backlight icon to set brightness of screen or choose if you want the screen to turn off. There are different time settings for that as well. You can keep it always on. Click the system information if you want check the device information, such as the version, device ID, and so on. Let's press on date and time icon. On the right, select whether to show in 12-hour mode or 24-hour mode. Using the arrow, set the date and time. Below, choose your time zone. Once finished, press on the green checkmark to save your changes. Press the volume icon, tap on the slider bar to set the volume level. Check the screen, tap sound to turn on or off. You also can choose what background music of device. Then, press the green check mark to save your changes. To open the GPS application, adjust the navigation configuration. Access Naviconfig, double-click on Resident Flash, followed by Navi. Choose Navi X and save it. Note that Bluetooth models may have the navigation configuration in the Settings tab, not on the home screen.